Okay, children. So I will take your revision today. Chapter number 12, 13, and 14. Okay. So Debatam, answer me. So Debatam, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Answer me. Any state, any one thing you tell me to prevent the pollution.
Okay.
Any
We
one
should
action.
plan. Okay. The boy is throw the dust in water, and the boy is cracking the fire.
Yes. So these are the wrong actions. And what you should do to control the pollution?
And we should clean the floor to keep not pollution. And we should plant more trees.
Yes. Very good, Debatam. Now, Debatam, tell me, I design houses and buildings. Who do
It
this?
will be architect.
Architect, yes. The people who is in the field of an architect designs houses and buildings.
Yes, and I draw cartoonist. It will be cartoonist.
Yes. Now tell me, Debatam, what
Yes.
you think are good habits? Waking up at least
Okay.
an hour before the school starts or bathing once a week?
Waking up at least an hour before school starts.
Very good. Very good, Debatam. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Alvira, unmute yourself, Alvira. Alvira, unmute yourself. Okay, Pushpak, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Pushpak, tell me any one thing, you tell me any one action that controls pollution, that helps to control the pollution.
We should we should plant more and more. We should plant more and more, and we throw the dust. We should throw the dust to the dustbin.
Very good. Now tell me, I draw cartoons. Who is
I
this?
draw cartoons. I am cartoonist.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now tell me, Pushpak, bathing once a week is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Very good. Mute yourself. Rishabh, unmute yourself.
It is not good health.
Yes. Very good, Pushpak. Mute yourself. Rishabh, can you see that picture here? Look at the screen. What is the, tell me any one action which is polluting the atmosphere.
What, ma'am? Please repeat. I cannot hear.
Look at the picture at the screen and tell me which picture is showing that it is polluting the atmosphere.
A boy is throw the dust in the. A boy is cracking the fire.
Yes, burning the crackers.
Yes,
And
ma'am. And one boy is throwing the dust in the
water.
in
Yes.
the water.
Very good, Rishabh. Now, Rishabh, tell me, I report news and write for newspaper. Who am I? I report news and write for newspaper.
I report news and write for newspaper. I am journalist.
Very good. Now tell me, Rishabh, brushing your teeth twice a day, is it right or wrong?
Right.
Very good, Rishabh. Mute yourself.
Thank
Pranavi,
you, ma'am.
welcome. Pranavi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranavi, tell me any one action that controls the pollution. Any one action that controls the pollution.
The girl is planting more trees.
Yes.
The boy is throwing the dust in the
Only
dustbin.
one action, Pranavi. Very good. Now, Pranavi, tell me, I draw cartoons. I am
Cartoonist.
okay. Now, tell me, bathing once a week. Is it right or wrong? Bathing once a week.
Wrong.
Very good, Pranavi. Okay, mute yourself. And Avigyan, unmute yourself, Avigyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Avigyan, now tell me, one action you tell me that pollutes the air.
We pollutes the air.
Yes.
The crackers, firecrackers pollutes the air.
Very good. Very good, Avigyan. Okay, okay. Only
And
one.
the transport going and pollutes the air.
Okay. Very good, Avigyan. Now, Avigyan, tell me, I treat and cure diseases in birds and animals. Who am I? I treat and cure diseases in birds and animals. Who am I?
Doctor.
Which doctor cure diseases in birds and animals?
I don't know.
Veterinarian. Okay, veterinarian. Okay, that is he who treats the diseases in birds and animals. Okay. Now tell me, Avigyan, tell me, switching off the light when you leave room. Is it right or wrong? Switching off the light when you leave room. Switching off the light when you leave room.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Very good, Avigyan. Mute yourself. AB, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devi, now tell me any one action you tell me that controls the pollution.
Yes, ma'am. I can tell. Planting more and more control the pollution, and the boy is throwing the dust in the dustbin.
Very good, Devi. Now tell me, Devi. Devi, now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. Devi, now tell me, I take care of the passengers in an aeroplane. Who am I? I take, okay. Now tell me, wasting a little of your food, right or wrong? Wasting
Wrong.
food, very good. Mute yourself. Lamia,
Thank
unmute
you, ma'am.
yourself. Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Lamia, tell me, any one thing to control the pollution? Yes.
The boy is
And
dust
one
in
thing,
the
what
water.
you will do when you will what you will do to control the pollution? What action you will do to control the pollution? Don't worry, children. I will give you questions on this chapter, chapter number 12, pollution. Okay. I will give you questions on this chapter also. There is no such more questions there. Okay. Okay, Lamia, now tell me, I design houses and buildings. Architect. Okay. Now tell me, sleeping at 10 o'clock every night. Is it right or wrong?
Yes.
Sleeping at 10 o'clock every night. This is good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Good habit, yes. Very good. Okay, Lamia, mute yourself. Aratrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aratrika? Tell me, Aratrika. Any
Yes.
one action that helps to control the pollution? Tell me any one action what you will do to control the pollution? Any one action that will help to control the pollution? What you will do? Aratrika? Turn on your video. Okay, Aratrika, now tell me. I work with the saw to make furniture for you. I work with a saw to make furniture for you. I work with a saw to make furniture for you. I told you to learn this chapter in the previous class. I work with a saw to make furniture for you. There is carpenter. Okay, Aratrika, tell me, using a nail cutter to cut your nails, is it right or wrong? Using a nail cutter to cut your nails. ये तो माशिका को बोल रहे हैं निकालने. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, tell me. Yes, Aratrika. Can you hear me, Aratrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Using a nail cutter to cut your nails, right or wrong? Using a nail cutter to cut your nails.
Right.
Yes, learn all the chapters nicely. Okay, Aratrika? You should not take so much time while answering. Okay. Yes, Shreyam, unmute yourself, Shreyam. Shreyam, unmute yourself. Mute yourself, Aratrika. Aratrika, mute yourself. Okay. Yes, Shreyam, unmute yourself, Shreyam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shreyam, now tell me. Any one action that helps to control the pollution?
Plant more and more trees.
Yes. Now tell me, I work with a saw to make furniture for you. Who am I?
Carpenter.
Yes.
Carpenter.
Now tell me, packing your school bag the night before. Is this good habit or bad habit? Packing your
Good
bag.
habit.
Very good. Very good, Shreyam.
Good habit.
Okay, mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Suprit, unmute yourself, Suprit.
Yes, ma'am.
Suprit, now tell me any one action that helps to control the pollution.
Avoid the cut trees.
Yes. Now tell me, I draw cartoon. Who am I?
Cartoonist.
Yes. Now tell me, bathing once a week. Is it wrong or right? Bad habit or good habit?
Absolutely wrong.
Yes, you should bath every day. Very good, Suprit. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Aptarshi, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Please ask me question.
Saptarshi, tell me, Saptarshi. Sleeping at 10 o'clock every night. Is this a good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Okay. Now tell me, I work with a saw to make furniture for you. Who am I? I work with a saw to make furniture for you.
Carpenter.
Carpenter, yes. Okay. Saptarshi, now tell me any one action that you should do to make the pollution
What,
control.
ma'am?
Mention any one thing that you should help to control the pollution. Okay, any one action that help to control the pollution.
We should throw the we should
We should throw the dust.
We should throw the dust in the dustbin.
Very good, Saptarshi. Okay. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Anubhav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Anubhav, mention any one action that helped to control the pollution.
Plant more and more trees.
Okay. Now tell me, Anubhav, I design houses and buildings. Who am I? I design
Ma'am,
houses.
please repeat the
I design houses and buildings. Who am I? I design houses and buildings. Who am I? Huh? Architect. Yes. Very good.
architect.
Okay. Now tell me, Anubhav, sleeping at 10 o'clock every night. Is this a good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Very good, Anubhav. Okay, mute yourself. Albira, unmute yourself, Albira.
Yes, ma'am.
I asked you. Have I asked you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Albira, now mention any one thing to control the pollution.
We cannot pollute our water and sky.
Yes, very good. So to control the pollution, what you should do?
We can grow our plant and tree.
Very good. Now tell me, I take care of the passengers in an aeroplane. Who am I? Who take care?
Air hostess.
Air
Air
hostess.
hostess.
Yes. Now tell me, waking up at least an hour before school starts. Is this a good habit or bad habit?
Good. One more say.
Waking up at least an hour before school starts.
It is a good habit.
Very good, Albira. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Solanki, unmute yourself. Solanki.
Yes, ma'am.
Solanki, mention me any one action that helps to control the pollution.
All the garbage put inside the dustbin.
Very good, Solanki. Now, Solanki, I draw cartoons. Who am I?
Cartoonist.
Yes. And tell me, sleeping at 10 o'clock every night, is this a good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Very good, Solanki. Okay, mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Riyaz, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Riyaz, now tell me, using a nail cutter to cut your nails, is it right or wrong? Using a nail cutter to cut. Right. Now tell me, I work with a saw to make furniture for you. Who am I? I work with a saw to make furniture for you. Carpenter, yes. Now tell me any one thing that you should do to control the pollution. Any one thing you mention me for what you will do to control the pollution.
We do not cut the plant. We should grow the plant more.
Very good, Riyaz. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Sanvi, unmute yourself, Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi, now mention any one thing that you should try to control the pollution.
We should plant tree.
Yes, you should plant more and more trees. And what you should not do?
Yes, ma'am.
What you should not do? And mention any wrong thing that you should, any harmful thing that you do to pollute more of the atmosphere. Okay. So what is that?
Throw stones to animals.
No, the pollution I'm saying, about the pollution.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, that means you should not throw garbages in the water. Okay, that thing you should not do because it can pollute the water. Okay, that will cause the water pollution. Okay, Sanvi, now tell me. I report news and write for newspaper.
Ma'am,
I report news and write for
ja-
newspaper.
journalist, ma'am.
Very good, Sanvi. Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Tamanna, unmute yourself, Tamanna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tamanna, now tell me. I take care of the passengers in an aeroplane.
Air hostess.
Air hostess, yes. Okay. You in that chapter, people at work, chapter number 13, you all mark that did you know, okay? Like a jockey rides horse in horse riding. A disc jockey plays music to entertain people in clubs and parties. A radio jockey hosts radio talk shows. Okay, that is very important. So all of you mark it. Did you
Ma'am.
know? Okay. Now, Tamanna, mention any one thing that you should do to control the pollution?
Yes, ma'am. And plant more plants.
Yes. Okay. Now, Tamanna, tell me, sleeping at 10 o'clock every night, is it good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Very good, Tamanna. Mute yourself.
You-
Yes, welcome. Anurag, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Anurag, now tell me, mention any one thing which pollutes the air. What pollutes the air?
Pol-
Any one action you can see that pollutes the air?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that action which pollutes the air? Anurag,
Yes.
what is that action which pollutes the air? You can see the picture. The boy is what the boy is doing? The boy is burning the crackers. Okay, he's firing the crackers. So that what that action do? That action pollutes the air. Okay, by burning the crackers or firing the crackers, it just pollutes the air. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now Anurag, tell me. I design houses and buildings. Who am I?
Architect.
Okay. Now tell me. Switching off the light when you leave a room. Is it a good habit or bad habit? Switching off the light when you leave a room.
Good habit.
Very good, Anurag.
Good habit.
Okay, Anurag. Very good. Yes, Tarshid, unmute yourself. Tarshid, unmute yourself. Tarshid, can you hear me? Yes, Tarshid, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tarshid, now tell me. Wasting a little of your food. Is it a good habit or bad habit? Wasting a little of your food. Is it a good habit or bad habit? Tarshid,
Bad habit. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Tarshid, can you hear me? There is some network.
Yes.
Yes, Darshit. Now tell me, I draw cartoons. Who am I?
Cartoonist.
Okay, very good. Very good, children. Now, who else have not answered me? Okay, very good, children. So all of you will prepare the next chapter. Like in the next class, I will ask you chapter number 15. Okay, chapter number 15, 18, and 20. Okay, chapter number 15, 18, and 20. So all of you will prepare. Okay, nicely. Yes, Atrika, unmute yourself, Atrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, Atrika, I work with a saw to make furniture for you. I work with a saw to make furniture for you.
Carpenter.
Carpenter, yes. Okay, mention any one thing that pollutes the air. Any one thing that pollutes the air. Pollutes the air, water, or land. Any one thing you mention me?
Air.
What is that pollutes the air? You can see the picture. There is.
That air pollutes the air.
Yes. Firecrackers. Very good. Atrika, now tell me. Brushing your teeth twice a day. Is it a good habit or bad habit? By brushing your teeth twice a day.
Good habit.
Yes, very good. So children, I will give you some questions on pollution also. Okay. I will give you some questions on pollution also in the next class. Yes, Rishit, unmute yourself, Rishit.
Question the brushing your teeth.
Rishit, now mention any one thing, Rishit, that pollutes the air, water, or land.
What?
Mention any one thing that pollutes the air or water or land.
My voice is cracking.
I know there is some network problem today. I'm telling you that mention any one thing that pollutes the air, water, or land. Any one thing you can tell me.
Smoke.
Smoke, yes, the fumes that is coming from the bus. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Then the fumes that smoke coming
The
from
air
the
will be
factory.
also dirty.
Yes, that pollutes the air. Very good. Rishit, now tell me,
And
I report news and write for newspaper. Who am I? I report news and write for newspaper. Who am I?
I report news and write for newspaper.
Yes.
I am a journalist.
Okay, very good. Very good, Rishit. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, children, so mark that one. Did you know a jockey rides horse in horse riding? Okay, so mark that one also. Can you see here? Just wait. This one is also important. So all of you mark this one. A jockey rides horse in horse riding. Okay, number 2, this one, a disc jockey plays music to entertain people in clubs and parties. A radio jockey hosts radio talk shows. All of you mark this one. This one, mark this one. Yes, Ankush, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankush, now tell me, using a nail cutter to cut your nails, is it a good habit? Right or wrong? Using a nail cutter to cut your nails.
Right.
Yes. Now mention any one thing that control the air pollution. That control the pollution.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
To control the pollution, what you should do? To control the pollution.
Pollution. Control the pollution.
Yes.
Tree. Tree. No cuttings. Tree.
Yes, we should not cut the trees and we should plant more and more trees.
Plant.
Okay, to control the pollution. And we should always eat green and leafy vegetables. Okay, we should not fire the crackers. Okay, we should always throw the dust in the dustbin. We should always put all the garbages in the dustbin. Okay, Ankush, very good. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, okay, mute yourself.